referee yan, bay.
And Clark Tiburon will be playing 1v1.
1 to 8 lang, bay.
1 to 8 lang to.
Bay, depensa.
Okay lang yan. Marot lang.
Napakatapang muna tao. Bilib ako sa kakayahan mo.
Bay. Referee yan, may referee yan, bay. Laro lang.
Piso lang po yan. Piso. It's Clark. Clark. Try to pose up attack. But his speed is strategical. Sabi, di kita nasa. Oh, with a pull-up.
Rebound! Ba! 1-0. 1-0. Alam mo to.
Ano yung announce natin is winner's ball or
Sab. Kaya nga, natatakot ko.
Leroy for Clark.
Ino mo, bakbakan mo.
Oh, one-day contract si Leroy sa JCI Manila. It's an import versus export. Import versus export.
Ulo! Takot!
And, oh, bonus na yun.
Rebound, pre! Foul. That's foul, bro. That's foul. Pre, push over, Jakamer. Pasok. Hoy! Ay! Red foul! Walang foul! Walang magawa, foul talaga. Awal na referee. Ang dami referee.
This is the first 1v1
Bang! Depensa, ganun lang. Depensa. Time out.
2-1 is the score. Lamang si Bosatan ng isa. Leroy has it. Leroy.
Kung ino mo, pwede sa lang. Oy! Rebound! Ala! Oh, come on!
Foul on Leroy. Foul Leroy daw. Foul Leroy.
Leroy.
That's all the game you're in Bosatan's territory. So, it's your foul.
Rebound! Depensa! Hoy! Wala! Sumusunod siya referee. Yeah, tawagin niyo siya ng maayos para maano. Tawagin niyo siya drafting din yun. Para totoo, seryoso.
Bosatan, 2-1.
Lahat pabura.
Bosatan has it. Bosatan!
Gago. Time out, pre. Galing mo, pre. Shooter ka doon, pre. 3-1, lamang ka. Oh, galit siya, guys.
Lamang ng dalawa si Bosatan. First player to make 8 points.
Pensa!
Leroy.
Pensa! Uy! Wala! Trafficking! Uy, wala pa! Ano? Time out! Nag-aalis na naman! Panginoon mo! Angas!
Ay, nagkamasahin ba? Si Bosatan, ha? Tingnan nyo. Si Bosatan is up by 4-1.
Kaya, 4-1. 4-1. Gila mo, lumit mo.
Leroy, you're down by 3. 4-1. Leroy.
ganon.
Foul si Leroy. Foul si Leroy. Foul si Leroy.
Sinabang pre.
Foul si Leroy.
Bang silog. Rebound! Pesa lang, Anisdi. Hop! Bang! Oh! Oh! Ay! 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 Bang mo yan, lalo na kasi.
Isa lang. Isa lang lamang ni Bosatan. 4-3. 4-3. Lamang ka pa rin Bosatan. Lamang ka pa rin Bosatan. 4-2 ka
Galing siya, guys.
Pati ako yung away na.
Bang! Pesa! Ipesa pre, Anisdi. Anisdi lang. Anis lang. Oh! Ito,
Leroy. You're down by 1, Leroy. You're down by 1.
Ito, referee, takot kaya ta na.
4-3.
Hop!
There goes Bosatan.
Rebound!
Bosatan misses Leroy. Gets the rebound.
Palay. Hop, hop, may bala. Oh. Bang! Oy! 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 Oy!
Okay, all players.
Huwag ka ba na ba? Ay, doon na sa'yo.
Okay, it's a tie ball game. It's a tie ball game.
All ball, bro. Let's go. Go, Leroy. Sarap.
Apat na apat siya. 4 points na. 4 points siya.
All ball. Pesa kasi. Pinapagbigyan mo eh. Jackamer. Yun o. Scatter.
Bosatan. Bosatan.
Patay ka sa mga ganyan. Hop. Spin.
That is good. Look at those premier handles.
Rebound. Bang! Oh, ano yun? Laki na. Eh, ba't yan? Oh, oh, bawal. Bawal. Bawal.
That's not a travel. Bosatan did not travel. He went to an expedition. Okay? He went to an expedition. That's not a
Bawal na yan. Bawal na yan, pre. Laro yung mo ko. Ah, ganon. Ayaw mahawak. Tabla na, tabla. Bakit kasi pre, kailangan ano? Walang dayaan. May referee na eh.
Wala siyang coach, meron siyang coaches. Guys, eto ball ko. So guys, palapalan na natin si John guys.
Bago, tutuloy.
Leroy.
Bakit na bola? Ayun, bola oh.
Ayan.
Bola.
Guys, even si Bosatan siya namimili ng bola. That's how powerful this guy is. And here we go, John. John with the fake. John with the take.
Amo lang.
5-4.
Oy! Sayang! Ulamot! Di ba yun? Uy! Galing! Wow! Ay na! Iyak siya, guys!
6-4.
6-7!
Legends.
Anak ni Jaworski.
Eto, Bosatan, anak ng PBA legend. Etong mga...
Ayan, right. Alam. Gopings. Gopings versus Gopings, oh. Gwapo versus gwapo. Kaya mo yun, pre.
Ang tanong mo, nakipagpalitan ka ng mga sinulugi.
Pogi versus Pogi, ah.
This is the last sub, ah. Okay guys, last substitution na po to, ah. Last subs kasi, lugi naman si Bosatan. Again, the score is 6-4, 6-4. Lamang ang JCI. Bosatan!
Uwi na.
Is that a 1-pointer or 2-pointer? 2-pointer now, folks! We are tied at 6.
All na.
All 6 na. All 6. And ayan na. Face-up defense na. This is what we call a face-up defense.
Layo ka.
Bosatan!
Akin to. Time out. Sabi ko na eh. Ano? Putan daya. Panis. Tawa rin joke. Ano tawag dun? Utakan ko siya. Lakas mo po. Ama mo na tabag. Timeout muna.
Robbie, that was a really, nakita mo yung process.
Wait.
Lamang sa Satan is a 7-6 is the score. Okay? 1 point for Bosatan. Robbie. And
Bang,
Robbie,
bang.
1 point.
Bang!
7 on the line. 7 on the line.
1 point ba? Grabe kay Bay. Ay! Wala! Ah! Daya.
So guys,
Olas! Sa kanya! Bro.
okay.
Leave on screen.
Alright, guys, so we get here.
But, be careful because...
Ano ba?
Para he will pass.
Okay, kaya let's see Bosatan.
Okay.
Ano? A foul! There was a foul during the timeout!
May pull yun.
Oh my, that is the first time in history there was a foul during the timeout break. That's why bola ni Bosatan. First time ever in history. Oh,
Diba? Wah! Ala! Puta ng gigil! Ulti! Ayaw mo! Sayang! Sayang! May ano parang si San ah.
and foul! Foul si Robbie, no? Foul Robbie. Okay, foul si Robbie. There's a play. I played it, folks.
Tumira!
Look at that! And bola ni...
Benza! Benza ka! End!
Bola ni Robbie? Bola niya. Okay, last score na to, ha? Last player
Wow.
score. Robbie for the win!
Rebound!
Bosatan! And...
Bada!
That is the reason why this is the Olympic gold medalist.
Night! Night!